Hi guys, if you've missed the previous videos, the situation at the moment is I've been up in the loft to get the Christmas decorations down, and the trouble is when I go and do something like that, I look at all the other stuff that I've got stored up there and start bringing it back downstairs again. This one, I've just noticed the mirror's broken. I'll glue that back on in a minute. This one I picked up in a charity shop. I don't remember how much it cost me. Quite a few bits were broken that I've had to 3D print to get it working again. There's a whole load in there that are 3D printed. And also, it's 27 megahertz, but you need a controller with additional functions to get it working, because you've got forwards, backwards steering, and you need to be able to lift that up and down. So I looked at my previous videos of this. There is a playlist for it, so that'll be in the video description, and found that the controller I was using was this one. And what does this one control? Robot Wars Shunt. Now he's all packaged up like this because somebody wanted to buy it off me, and I always say no when people want to buy stuff off me. Usually they are time wasters anyway, and that was the case in this case. Having gone through various discussions, they then started wanting to negotiate on the price and that. Well, if you want to buy something and you agree a price, then you agree a price. You don't start messing me about. So the bottom line now is I just refuse anybody who wants to buy anything off me. We'll have a quick peek inside it. What I intend to do is run the other thing, but this one I had to do quite a bit of work on to get it working, like just about everything else I buy. It should have a bespoke battery in there, which obviously it didn't have when I bought it. It's got two slots where the batteries go. I think that's a Tamiya connector, that's what they call it. So I actually made a battery to go in there to control it, and it does work. I'm just looking there, it looks like I've got a bit of blue tack on there at the moment, so I'm guessing this bit may have been broken off. Anyway, we're not going to look at this one at the moment. We might have a look at it in a minute, but if I am going to do anything, I'm going to have to rig up another battery to go in there. So we will put that to one side. Just have a look at the details on the bottom. Is that in focus? There we are. Shunt, copyright BBC, 1998. Oh, and also copyright BBC 2000. Logistics Kids Retails trademark. Yeah, anyway, I'll put that one away for now. Because at the moment we just want this controller to see if we can get the other fella going. I'll put a link in the video description to both playlists, the one for the digger thing and the one for shunt. Right, I'll put some batteries in there and we'll give it a try. I had a look in the battery box and it says 4.8 volts. Well, that's a bit inconvenient because I don't have anything that's exactly 4.8 volts. What I've put in there at the moment is a lithium-ion battery, but only a single cell, so that's only about 3.6 volts. But it's enough to get it moving, so that will do. It's tempting to run it on a 2S, but I'll do it on a 1S just so we don't blow everything up. Now, the controls are not what they should be because it's not a matching thing. Forwards and backwards are actually those two buttons. Steering is that one, and as you can see, it's very slow because we're running on a low battery. And then the shovel up and down. So let's turn it around a bit so we can see it. Okay, let's drop the camera down a bit so we can have a bit of a close-up of it. If you check out the videos in the playlist, I've got it running round in the garden. And I think I'm probably running it on a 2S because it's going quite fast out there. But we'll stick to the 1S for now. So forwards, let's do this so you can see it. Backwards, forwards. And then down. That's got a nice action to it. All those linkages working. I spent a lot of time 3D printing bits. I think between there and there should be a hydraulic damper thing. A fake one, not a real one. And same on the other side. Oh. You'd think there'd be a stop on it to stop you going too far. Well, it probably is. That's what the click was. Yeah, I think it would be faster with a 2S. But we'll stick with this for now. Backwards and turn that way. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's all I intend to do with it. We're not going to run around in the garden with it. The fact it's raining wouldn't actually help. But yeah, another little beauty rescued from the charity shop with lots of broken bits. So check out the playlist in the video description. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.